This is a guide for setting up drivers for Sony Network Walkmans. This can be done in Device Manager. I have a Network Walkman connected. I can double click that, then go to Driver, Update Driver, browse my computer for drivers, let me pick from a different list, then I'll go to Show All Devices, click Next, then we're going to wait for a minute, and then we are going to scroll down to Sony Corporation, because there are actually already drivers installed in Windows by default. There it is, Sony Corporation. Then I'll go all the way down, and then I see Sony USB Network Walkman. There are some different kinds. You just need to find the right one, but NW is usually Network Walkman. Then we're going to click Next, select Yes, and then you'll see it has installed the driver. Now I can see that when I go to E, this is the Network Walkman. As if I click on Properties, there 128 megabytes. Now you don't need to install Sonic Stage. If you go to eSys, then there will be an MP3 file manager. So you can just install MP3 files through this utility to your Network Walkman.